Hello everybody! Getting these remaining new old stock switches installed, and then I get over here and there's some weirdness going on that I don't like, so I'm going to get that straightened up. I don't claim to be a master electrician by any means, but I don't think that's supposed to be wired like this, with two wires on one lug and then jumping over to this switch. I would think it needs to be pigtailed out of that, and then one wire to each switch. So I am going to switch that up. I have my little jumper wires made already. I'll come back when I get that put back in. A little while later I got the pigtail made up. Now I can put the new old stock Eagle switches in, and we'll come back here in just a minute. And now the moment of truth. This should be the entry hall light, and this should be the porch light. Porch light off, entry hall off. Awesome. So I can put the plate back on here in a minute, and that's all tidy and not some jumper wire going across there like there was before. That was not too good. So that's a lot better, and plus it has the regular single pole switch that it needs to have in here. And these once again are the vintage Eagle ones, I think perhaps from 1981 according to the box. Here's this illuminated vintage Leviton three-way switch I got installed here in the hall. It's identical to the other side now, down here by the clock. I installed this one here a couple weeks ago. Nice and illuminated. Nice and illuminated. So we're good to go there. And then of course that one. Got another one installed here in the laundry room. It's a three-way. Go look at the other side. And here's the one out in the little workshop. And it is working like it should. So I'll get the cover plates back on and we'll take one more look at them. Now I got the cover plates back on. Those are great. I like those switches. And then of course, there's that one. Let's go down the hall here. There's this one. That's the last one I installed. We'll go through here into the laundry room. Of course, I got this one here, and then we'll go continue on through here. And I got that one right over here, this other part of the three-way circuit. And one more thing. I relocated this one from the master bath, this switch. I had put a lighted single pole switch in there, so I've moved that one over here. This one I still needs to do some work. There's aluminum wiring in there and I need to get the proper connectors to hook that up right. This is how the original switch was hooked up. They had it backstabbed with aluminum wire in there. So I've got them looped right now, but I'm going to get the connectors and go from aluminum to copper with the correct connectors, so that Won't have dissimilar metals causing problems. But there's the switches I took out of service, and they'll go into the hoard should I need switches later on for something. They all work. But just quite a bit of sketchiness found. So I'm glad I went through these and tidied some stuff up. Once again, this has been the new old stock switch out. Thank you for watching.